Welcome to BB Star Graphics Design Training. In this video, you're going to learn how to remove backgrounds from an image. If you go to your browser, it can be Opera Mini, Chrome, Safari, or whatever browser you wish to use. In this video, I'll be using Chrome. So, I'll open my Chrome. In the search space, I'll type remove.bg. remove.bg. This is the website for quick removal of backgrounds. You can also use the website to add background, but that's not our concern now. So you click on upload image. You have to remove the background from this image. So press done. So this website will quickly remove the background from the image. So now look at the image. The background has been removed. You cannot make use of this image in your design. Click on download to download your image. So now this image has automatically been downloaded. Go to my gallery where I'll see my image. This image is in PNG file now. So you can see how easy it is. So that's it. I believe you will try this out on your own. Thank you.